Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to set up dating on Facebook. Okay, now you need, after that all, you need update your app. Okay, check your Play Store or App Store and update your Facebook. Open your Facebook then, and can you see in the corner three lines, touch here, and can you see now dating? If you don't see dating here, can you touch in see more? Okay, and find them here. Okay, but now you need touch in dating, and this is your new profile, different that your personal profile in your face. Okay, now here is like a Tinder or Bumble. I don't know what is the most popular in USA, but you need to upload your photos and make your description. Okay, say what are you looking here, and then can you set maybe miles? Okay, and find girls or boys closer or more away. Okay, away from away. This is all. Okay, you need get start and make these settings. Okay, make your profile, example, your name, your age, your gender. Okay, your ubication, your address. Okay, your city, no more. And then you need, what do you want today? Okay, woman, man, everyone. Okay, if you want make friends, or if you want make get a girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay, set here. And what do you want to be friends? Maybe here. Okay, maybe here. Okay, and this is all. Okay, you need make this information. Okay, example here or here. And then what color are you? I don't know. I in this inch, I don't know what is my my tall. Okay, maybe I don't have kids. Okay, and my bueno, okay, doesn't matter. You make this and get your friends or girlfriend. I don't know. Have a good day and see you later. Sorry for my bad English. Really sorry.